Alright, we pulling up. We about to rob the place. I'm just okay, we in the dollar store. We about to rob the place. Okay. Alright, I gotta get some good candy. I gotta let it spread. Okay,
let it spread over.
We gang, okay. I wanna get chocolate, something sour, chips.
That sound like a homeless person.
It's $125. So I'm gonna get Crunch and I'm gonna get Milky Way. Those are really expensive. I'm trying to save. Well, oh well. Oh, these are $2 for $1. These chips.
I know.
I'm gonna get 2 for $1 chips. I'm ranking up. Bro, low-key, we should have got a buggy. I can't carry this and the camera. No, I'm gonna get these. Okay, hold on. Gotta be smart with it here. Alright, I wanna get a sour candy. You know what? Alright. Okay. Wait, where'd they go? Did you get ramen?
Yes, I want to try this out because, like, I never heard of this brand. Have you heard of this brand?
No.
Neo Guri. I had to get you some ramen.
I have a feeling you ain't pronouncing that right though.
It's Neo Guri.
Neo Guri. Neo Guri.
Neo Guri. Y'all see all my snacks?
Y'all see Wait, I gotta get a drink.
Wait,
You big, Brianna. You just big. You just pure big. Big.
dang, I don't got enough money.
Them expensive.
You know what? Wait, I want icing.
Okay, I got a Coke. Hey, I got a Coke. Big back activity. Big back activity. You have a problem.
It's too
She got 2 ices, bro. What?
I got 3 ramen, 1 drink. Okay, if I had my own money,
Who's not paying for your stuff? Wait. We need to calculate this stuff.
Charlie said she about this stuff. I'll pay you that, Charlie.
Oh, are you sure you got enough money?
These women were like 115, 125.
We gonna figure it out when we get to the register.
Yeah.
It's slow, huh?
She kicking her hot Cheetos because she can't carry it no more. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the register. Okay, I'm gonna go first because mine is like a ooh. She ain't. I'm gonna go first. Yeah. You go last because like whatever we have left for change we'll give to you.
To me?
No, to her. Okay.
Yeah, you
Sorry, we got a lot for you to check out.
I got a lot of deals though. All these crunch bars, all these crunch bars together, $5. This $3.50.
That's so sad. You're
These
big.
icings are $3.50.
You're big.
You just said, I'm sorry.
And I got
How much was that?
14. Oh,
Can I get this too?
I need gum too.
Brianna, you just pretty.
Because these were on sale. This was
She owed me $5.99.
This was $1 a pack.
Okay, I'm gonna do my haul first for what I got.
Why I look like that? I look like I got no face.
I'm gonna do my haul first for what I got. I got big bag of dynamites. Oh no. Lifesavers. Crunch. Milky Way.
They have Milky Ways?
You know that?
Yeah, you didn't know that? Hot Cheeto Puffs.
You could have got 5 of those.
I didn't want 5 of those. Hot Cheeto Puffs. I would never been able to pay for her.
Oh, yeah.
Coke. And gum.
I forgot to get gum. But if I would have got gum, then...
I got me a little more. Some malabo more.
Girl, you
And it's another banana. And the other banana.
Okay, so I got five packs of Crunch, 5 packs of Crunch bars, Nerds gummy clusters. I got 2 things of icing, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I got 6 bags of hot Cheetos. Yeah.
You just big. Alright, that's our big bag haul. Bye bye.